Hello, my name is Shashank. My topic for the presentation is ISO 22000. Introduction. ISO 22000 is an international standard for food safety management system. It outlines the requirement for an organization to develop and implement a food safety management system, ensures the safety of food product throughout the entire food chain from farm to fork. A brief history of ISO 22000. ISO 22000 was published in 2005 as a response to a number of successive food crises such as mad cow disease or adulteration of wines with ethylene glycol and its derivatives. The globalization of food supply chain creating uncertainty with regard to the origin of food products. The need from food industry to demonstrate that systems were established and operating in accordance to applicable laws and the requirements specified by Codex Alimentarius. Who is ISO 22004? ISO 22000 is applicable to all organizations in the food and feed industry regardless of size or sector. High-level structure, which we will see further in the slide, as other ISO management system standards such as ISO 9001 quality management. It is designed in a way that it can be integrated into an organization's existing management process but can also be used alone. Objectives: provide product that is customer focused or oriented to enhance customer satisfaction for the product and their trust in it, to enhance quality management, to enhance effective and efficient product design development. Benefits: ensure that the product and services are safe, reliable, and of good quality. Strategic tool for business that reduces cost by minimizing waste and errors and increasing productivity. ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System. The ISO 22000 family of international standards addresses food safety management. The consequences of unsafe food can be serious, and ISO's food safety management standards help organizations to identify and control food safety hazards. ISO 22000 2005. The international standard specifies the requirement for a food safety management system. It combines the following general recognized key elements to ensure food safety along the food chain up to the point of final consumption: interactive communication, system management, prerequisite programs, HACCP principles. First, coming on to the interactive communication. Communication along the food chain is essential to ensure that all relevant food safety hazards are identified and adequately controlled at each step within the food chain. This implies communication between organizations both upstream and downstream in the food chain. This is the example of communication within the food chain. As we can see, statutory and regulatory authorities, which is interconnected with all the producers and manufacturers with and consumers also. System management. The most effective food safety systems are established, operated, and updated within the framework of a structured management system and incorporated into the overall management activities of organization. This provides maximum benefit for the organization and interested parties. HACCP principles. Hazard analysis is the key to an effective food safety management system. Conducting a hazard analysis assists in organizing the knowledge required to establish an effective combination of control measures. Thus, it provides the means to determine and document why certain identified hazards need to be controlled by a particular organization and why other needs not to. Revision step. The revision of ISO 22000-2005 commenced in September 2014. All participants, technically committed committee, and national mirror committees agreed on the need to revise the standard with the purpose of addressing emergent food safety challenges. After a long period of discussion, in June 2018, ISO 22000-2018 was published. Benefits of implementation. These are improved health and safety, improved customer satisfaction, help meeting regulatory requirements, enhanced transparency, improved response to take risk, reduce investigation time. The standard itself also offers several advantages over other systems. Consistent structure, global recognition, increased business opportunities. Consistent structure. The structure of ISO 22000 is similar to that of the other international standards. It was designed to integrate seamlessly with other management systems from ISO, such as ISO 9001, ISO 45001, or ISO 14000. Global recognition. ISO 22000 is well known, internationally recognized standard. Certification to it improves an organization's reputability with customers, suppliers, investors, regulatory groups, and other parties worldwide. Structural changes on ISO 22000. High level structure. There are 10 core clauses. These are scope, normative references, terms and definitions, context of organization leadership, planning, support, operation, performance, evaluation, improvement. PDCA cycle. Here we can see the PDCA cycle, which goes for plan, do, check, act. Under this plan, context of organization, leadership, planning, support comes, and operation is done, checking performance evaluation, and act of improvement. ISO 22000 2005 versus ISO 22000-2018. In 2005, there were interactive communication, system management, prerequisite program, and HACCP principles. In 2018, retains the principle listed under 2005 whilst adding the most common ISO management system principle: customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence based decision making, relationship management. Process based thinking audits. A process is transformation of input to outputs, which takes place as a series of steps or activities which result in the planned objective. Often the output of one process becomes an input to other of subsequent process. Very few processes operate in isolation from any other. ISO certification. Certification assures regular assessment to continually monitor and improve process. Credibility that the system can achieve its intended outcome, reduce risk and uncertainty, and increase market opportunities. Consistent Consistency in the output designed to meet stakeholder expectation. Thank you.